So, we're going to do a number off of Diary of a Madman called Flying High Again. Somebody gave me this. I don't know how to fucking open this. I don't know. What the fuck is this, Jim? Never mind. I found it. So we're going to smoke this joint if you want to smoke this joint. Flying high again, right? All right, hold on a minute. Hold on. Who's got a light? I got 2 yellow lighters.
You're gonna need a blowtorch for that. Hey, Ozzy, there's your light right over there.
You gotta be kidding me.
Oh, he's got it!
Half-ounce joint, everybody.
That's unreal.
Yes, it's fucking real. What the fuck do you think this is? Some half-assed Ozzy fucking tribute? This is fucking Ozzy Osbourne. Fuck you.
Okay. Where's Sharon?
You're sharing right now. Look, you just gave
Fuck that bitch. She's fucking the gardener again. Sorry for all the little children here, but that's your problem. Your parents brought you here. So you guys know, there's that fucking delay then. You guys know that Ozzy Osbourne did Diary of a Madman. There's a song called Flying High Again. We're smoking this joint. You guys come up here. Somebody take it away from us. I think it's gonna be you.
Do I need to be the one to watch something?
Alright, so pass that fucker around. Keep on smoking that joint! Fucking right is gonna kill you. Here's your lighter back. Woo! You think you were gonna survive this show? You're out of your fucking mind. Alright. Little song. Are you ready, Randy? Nobody let this guy get on a plane, okay? Where's the joint? He wants the joint. He wants the joint.
No, it's fine, it's fine.
No, Randy Rhoads can't fly high without being flying high. So I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Huge Productions for kicking off the show. They rocked it. Fucking thanks, guys. You sounded great. And if you don't think this is fucking hot, it's fucking hot. Yes, where there's one, there's two. Give me that, you fucking bogart. Hey, my buddy Kim's here. Kim, come take this. Jimmy! So like I said, we're going to do a number off Diary of a Madman. This next song is called Flying High Again, so keep on smoking those joints! Yeah. They're giving us the clap.